So the admin credit was extended into September. Though we don't have the specific deadline for September, whether it's going to run to the end of month of September, and whether the qualification still stands with paying September admin fee. We don't know much details about that, but we all know that it's going to be extended. So I don't know whether it's a carryover of August in terms of paying your admin fee in August and getting two admin credits, or is it going to continue in September in such a way that you pay admin fee in September to get two new credits? So more information about that will be made known. But I want to use this opportunity to expatiate the importance of admin credit in terms of giving you passive income. Let me explain. If you have two admin credits right now and you refer two people, that means they signed up to TBC, knowing fully well that the admin fee is involved. But what you are giving them is that they are joining for the first month free. So subsequently, they probably have to pay the admin fee. Now, depending whether they bought TBC or they took advantage of the 24-hour, 48-hour challenge, okay, which is cookie reward challenge, which is going to give them a lot of TBC, about more than one TBC if I'm correct. Okay. Now, if they go through all this process, they're probably going to end up with about one TBC. Let's say they signed up, you pay the admin fee for them, they use the admin credit they earn to refer two people immediately, and also people they referred did the same process within 48-hour period. That means your referrals probably have about one TBC in cookie reward. Okay. Now, let's say that after the admin credit promo ends, okay, and they decide to continue paying the admin fee, being good Tibition, being excellent Tibicians, okay, because every Tibition is good, though we have some bad eggs who are spoiling our name with discounting, okay, but the excellent Tibicians are those who meet up with monthly payment, okay, monthly paying the admin fee, whether it's through Bitcoin bounties, whether it's through bulk payment, whether they use Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum to make the payment. Okay, but they meet up on a monthly basis. So if you have these two people that you referred consistently meeting up with the admin fee on a monthly basis, what that means for you, that is after they have signed up, after the 1 month they paid with admin credit is over, and they decide to pay consistently. Do you know what that means? That means that every month you are going to get 8 grains of gold, probably worth about $25, depending on what the exchange rate between grain of gold and US dollar is. Okay, so in this case now, what it means is that consistently, if you have these two people paying the admin fee on a monthly basis, okay, consistently, that means on a consistent basis, you'll be getting 8 grains of gold. Okay, so that means that admin credit gives you the opportunity to earn passive income on a consistent basis. And that was why the admin was emphasizing that for merchants, it's a great opportunity for them, because if you repay two admin fee, if you if you refer two people, if you have admin credit, two admin credit, and you refer two people, okay, who pay the admin credit, who you use the admin credit to pay for them, and you are giving another two again, and you're giving another two, and you're giving another two. That if you're consistent like that, let's say you in a week you were able to refer two people, okay, you're able to refer two people. Oh, okay, let me just leave two people. Let's go with 6 people in a week. All they have to do is just sign up and the admin fee is paid for them. So that means, let's say, let me use it this way. Okay, let me clarify it this way. Okay, you have two admin credit, you refer two people. You're giving another two. You refer another two people. You give another two again. You refer two people. That makes it 6 in a week. Now, or let's use a month. Okay, let me use a month. Let's say that you decide to do the minimum you can ever do, which is 2 per month. Okay, so 2 first week, 2 second week, 2 3rd week, 2 4th week. That gives you like 8 referrals right there. Okay, and the next month they are required to pay the admin fee. Okay, probably under your guidance, you've guided them how to get symbol. To they have their wallet, they have new Kringles. Okay, they if they took advantage of the 24-hour, 48-hour challenge and did their own referrals using the admin credit given to them, that means automatically they are going to if and they did it under 48 hours, they are going to have some coins. But let's just say they stick with the Kringles given to them free by TBC admin. Let's just say they stick to that. Okay, that means the next month they will be required to pay the admin fee because the first month they joined was paid through admin credit. So that means you have 8 people who are supposed to pay. So that means you have 8 people who are supposed to pay you, who are supposed to pay, not pay you, okay, pay admin fee each $25, $25, $25, $25, okay, which means that out of those eight, let's say out of those eight, only four decide to do that consistently. That means you'll be getting about $50 approximately on a monthly basis as your own commission. Because what it means is that each of those people paid $25, $25, $25, $25. That gives you $100. Okay, the total of what they pay to TBC admin is $100. Then through Bitcoin Bounty, you earn $50. So automatically you created a cash flow for yourself, a passive income cash flow for yourself of $50 on a monthly basis. Let's say all of the 4 people out of 8 decide to be paying consistently on a monthly basis. I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. So it's really a great opportunity for anybody out there who wants to tap into this, because the most important thing you also need to know is that you have to let them know that, hey, we have what is called admin fee. It's paid every month. If you teach them what you know, if you teach them what I'm teaching you right now, you are going to set up yourself to consistently pay your admin fee without even touching any of your hard-earned money, and also making some money for yourself. Okay, and that's why this admin credit is a very wonderful opportunity for anybody out there who is really hardworking and wants to take advantage of this. Look, this is one of the best opportunities you can ever get, that's handed to you very cheaply. Okay, creating passive income for yourself. Passive income means income you earn without actually having to do any work. Because in this case, they paying the admin fee and you're getting paid. It's more like you've done the work the first time. It's more like do this work and get paid forever. Are you get what I'm saying? So guys, that's it for this video. I didn't want to make it long, but I hope you guys get the message of the video. Admin credit equals to lifetime passive income. Okay, that's just if you take advantage of it, okay, and you refer 2 people, that means on a monthly basis, you might even take care of your admin fee without having to put any hand or even use your own finance. So admin credit gives you opportunity to make passive income and also pay your admin fee consistently. So guys, thank you for watching. Remain blessed.